Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. In order to do that, first of all you have to click on this start icon, click on that and search for the settings. As you can see here, settings are here, just click on the open. Now from here you have to click on privacy and security, click over here. Now from here on the top you can see there is option which is Windows security. Just click over here, and now just from here you have to click choose virus and threats protection. So from in the virus and threat protection, scroll down a little bit, you will get to see this manage setting. Click on the manage setting. Now you have to turn off this real-time protection, which is locate and stop malware from installing or running on your devices. So just click on the off, so it will off. Now you have to disable cloud delivered protection as well. Just click on this off. So from here you can download third-party games without any issue. So this is how you can disable Windows Defender in Windows 11.